Welcome to the world premiere of the new Porsche 911 GT3. Celebrating 25 years of thrilling performance, the GT3 continues to push boundaries in speed, design, and driving experience. This 2025 edition promises a next-level driving sensation. Let's take a deep dive into what makes this iconic car so special. First introduced in 1999, the Porsche 911 GT3 has been a symbol of race-bred performance. Now, in 2025, Porsche gives us two incredible versions, the track-focused GT3 and the road-ready GT3 Touring. Both deliver that quintessential Porsche thrill, packed with new innovations to make the driving experience even more dynamic. Let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 boasts striking aerodynamic revisions, from the swan neck suspension to its signature rear wing on the standard model. For those looking for a more subtle aesthetic, the Touring variant ditches the wing, but maintains all the track-worthy performance. The addition of lightweight magnesium wheels and carbon fiber elements reduce weight by 9 kilograms, improving both handling and speed. Step inside, and the GT3 impresses with its race-inspired yet comfortable cabin. The full bucket seats provide unparalleled support, while adjustable components make it perfect for long drives or intense track sessions. The Touring package offers an even more refined interior, with luxurious leather accents and textile inlays, balancing sporty and sophisticated. And don't forget, the rear seat system is an available option, providing extra versatility. Now, let's get to what really matters: performance. The 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 is powered by a 4.0-liter naturally aspirated flat-six engine producing 510 horsepower, with a redline at 9,000 RPM. This beast accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds with the PDK and 3.9 seconds with the manual gearbox. It tops out at a blistering 194 miles per hour. Whether you're tearing up the track or cruising country roads, this car delivers power, precision, and pure exhilaration. Porsche doesn't just focus on speed, they've integrated advanced safety features as well. The Porsche ceramic composite brakes, PCCB, provide unmatched stopping power, with 410mm discs at the front and 390mm at the rear. And with options like rear-wheel steering and Porsche's active anti-roll bars, the GT3 handles with confidence at every turn, giving you complete control no matter the situation. When it comes to cost, the new Porsche 911 GT3 offers serious value for its price. The GT3 starts at $166,895, while the Touring variant begins at $180,195. With the level of performance, luxury, and technology Porsche has packed into these cars, they deliver extraordinary value for any driving enthusiast. You can expect top-tier engineering that's ready for both daily commutes and weekend track days. In this performance class, there are few worthy competitors. The BMW M8 offers power but leans towards a grand touring experience. The Mercedes-AMG GT has been revamped and is aiming directly at the 911, offering fierce performance with a luxurious edge. The Chevrolet Corvette is another strong option, especially for drivers seeking performance at a more accessible price point. But when it comes to a perfect blend of racetrack readiness and everyday usability, the 911 GT3 stands unmatched. So, what's the final verdict? The 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 is an extraordinary car that pushes the boundaries of performance, technology, and design. Whether you choose the GT3 for its raw track potential or the Touring for its refined road manners, you'll experience a level of driving engagement that few other cars can offer. Porsche has once again proven why the GT3 remains an icon in the automotive world. Thanks for joining us for this in-depth look at the 2025 Porsche 911 GT3. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future car reviews. Leave a comment below and let us know which GT3 version excites you the most, the track-focused beast or the refined Touring model. And stay tuned for our next video where we'll take you inside the world of electric supercars. See you in the next one. Drive safe and keep chasing that thrill.